to another episode of Cooking with Jay. Today I am making drumsticks in a crock pot. Thanks to my brother-in-law with his help because I didn't really know what I was gonna create. And if you hear the dishwasher going, please ignore that. The dishes are washing in there. So today we are making a mustard honey glazed drumsticks with vegetables and potato in a crock pot. What you're gonna need for this ingredient is your celery, your onions, your carrots, your potatoes, and your honey glazed chicken, and the most important thing, your crock pot and your cup of water. So let's start adding our ingredients. First I'm gonna add in my chicken at the bottom. Now we are going to add the onions, if you can see that. Just throw them all in. Your potatoes are next. Your carrots. Your celery. And of course, the main ingredient. Your water. Then what you're going to do is you're going to mix it all together. Now you want to add your spices. Oregano, if you can see that. Black pepper. Oh, no, that's oregano. My mistake. My mistake. Black pepper. Parsley. Thyme. Basil. And then you want to mix it up again. Now you want to set this for 6 hours on low cook and 6 hours. And then you push start and there you go. 6 hours later, got amazing food. So, when the timer goes off, this is what you are left with. You're left with deliciousness right here. So I've transferred them into a bowl for my mom and I. And this is what you are left with completely. Great, delicious meat, potatoes, vegetables. It is awesome. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of me creating a meal that you can make in the morning, and by the time you get home from work, it is done, it is created. You don't really have to do very much. You just add it all together and it is done. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe below. Click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload a video, which is 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget that because that's the time zone I live in. And you need to watch it according to your time zone. So whatever your time is at when I'm watching it, when I'm uploading it at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Also, hit the thumbs up button. Smash it, squash it, high five it, do whatever you have to do. Just hit it. Also, share this with your friends, family, and everybody on your social networks. And also comment below if there's something you want me to cook. Please, I will cook it. Okay, anything, virtually anything, as long as it's not bad, but I will cook it. So please comment below. Also remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and you're amazing. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Jay and being part of Jay's squad and watching my videos and subscribing and sharing them with everyone. And also remember, the most important thing is be happy.